I'm going to show you how you can apply light flare on your design. Some call it lens flare, some call it optical lens flare, some call it light flare, whatever I call it. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can achieve such effects using backgrounds, using normal backgrounds. Okay, so let me import the background I'll be using. So move to your file menu. There are different ways to import files or import your images into this interface. Ctrl+I. Okay, have you seen? Click, first of all, click on file, go down to import, select your folder and import. Click on it, select it and import. Now look at that. I want to use this first background here, so let me import this one. Okay, good. This is the background. I am going to use this background, okay, to produce an effect. This background was downloaded online, so you can also download light flare background, but be careful because sometimes when you download them it won't give you what you want. So always know the one to download. You can use any background to produce this effect. Any background that has this kind of light, if you look at this light, have you seen? But you cannot place this effect on your design because it won't go well. This is a background on its own, but I'm going to turn it towards a light flare kind of effect. So first of all, let me bitmap. You click on your bitmap, click on convert to bitmaps, set it to be your color mode to be RGB and click on OK. Now I've made it, I've converted it to what? Bitmap, so that my file won't be heavy. Okay, so before I continue, my focus is this light. Have you seen this light? My focus is this, but I don't want this background to show. So what will I do? I'll first of all shorten it. Click on your shape tool, select the two bottom part of it, that is the left and right. You've seen these two nodes here. Okay, so I'm going to shorten it. Click on one of it and hold. You can hold down your control key so that it will be straight and take it up. Have you seen? I have shortened the background. Let me also select both on top, the two nodes. I'll also shorten it. Mind you, my concern is this light here, not the background, this light itself, so I can apply it on a design, and I'll show you how to do that. Have you seen? Let me shorten the right hand side and also the left hand side. Okay, I've gotten something like this. I'm going to bitmap it again. Bitmap again. Click on your bitmap, convert to bitmap, click on convert to bitmap. Resolution 300 minimum is okay. Color mode RGB. Okay, click on OK. Now I've already converted this to bitmap again. So this is it. So now look at, I'm going to fade the edges of this your background. Fade the edges so that my effect will blend very well. So let me click on transparency tool to fade the edges. I want to hide this down part here too. Have you seen? Click on it more, take it in, just fade these edges so that if you don't, so that it will not show how the edges are, okay, on that your design. Remember, this is a square, like this is a square shaped background. Okay, we don't want to make it look like the square we use. Okay, so I want to fade this edge. Just follow me. Now I'm going to fade different edges. For me to fade these different edges, I have to keep bitmapping till I get what I want. So I faded the down part. I'll click on bitmap menu, click on convert to bitmap and OK it. I'll still use my transparency tool, click and drag to fade the right hand side. Have you seen? I'll still select my bitmap menu, convert to bitmap, click on OK. I'll still fade this side. I am bitmapping so that you will be able to apply the same effect at the left hand side. So I'm going to bitmap again. I've bitmapped. Let me also use the same transparency tool, and finally I'll still bitmap. Okay, good. Now you can see what I have here. Have you seen how it is? Good. Now I want to turn this my background toward a lens flare or light flare. Okay, flare so that I can use it on my design. So I can now click on my pick tool. Have you seen how it is? Now still click on your transparency tool. Click on transparency tool. Have you seen transparency tool? Just click on, look at your mesh mode here, look at this place, look at your property bar here. I said any tool you select, your property bar will do what? Adjust to suit that tool so that you can manipulate or use other features. Now look at, have you seen where you have normal? Normal, click on normal, there's a drop down arrow. Move down to where you have screen. Click on screen. Have you seen this? Your effect is hidden. Let me take it out. Have you seen this effect? Good. Let me copy it and take it to our next page. Let me show you the next design so that you see how that effect works. Okay, if there was to be a design here, I'll just place it on that design and it will take that background. Now let me show you this design. Have you seen this design? Look at this design. Have you seen this effect on it? Look at, have you seen this design? Let me zoom in so that you see. Look at, have you seen this design? So look at this effect here on this 2025. Have you seen? Okay, now let's also look at the national. Look at the national too. Have you seen that effect? It is the one I just did and it's that same background I even used. Okay, so let me paste it. Now look at this effect here. Look at it here. Let me delete that of 2025. Let me delete the one on this year here. Let me delete the one on this year and take it in here. As you can see, have you seen how it is? Wherever I place it, it has an effect. Look at, have you seen? This is how I was able to place this effect on this design. Now look at this other one too. Let me take this one out. Look at this same effect. Look at, have you seen this one? It's the same effect we did. Let me place it on this. Have you seen? So when you see designs like this that have this effect, I've now showed you how to apply it so that you won't be running after downloading, or maybe there's no network or data, you'll now be stranded. So you can pick any background that has this light effect and apply same method. Now mind you, always look for backgrounds that complement your colors. If you are using green, blue, whatever you are using, make sure the background you are using complements that design. Don't just randomly use backgrounds like that. Okay, so this is how to do this effect. Now if you look at these chairs here, look at these chairs. Have you seen this effect here? Look at, there's an effect there. Look at, I placed it there. Let me take it out. Have you seen? Have you seen? I placed it here, so you think it's the same background. Have you seen? So this is how to apply those effects. If you look below here also, you will see that the effect is here. Let me take it out. Have you seen? I've taken it out. Meanwhile, I left it on that design. So as you can see, have you seen how it is? Let's assume this is how you want it to be. Let me see, return it here. You can adjust, reduce. Look at it. Have you seen? This is how to apply your lens or light flare effect on your design. So as you are putting it, you know, you can see the effect. Okay, so do well to come back for more. Thank you.